Here is how to upload a profile picture on Hily. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can upload a profile picture on your Hily account. So let's start. First of all, open the app and log into your account. After logging into your Hily account, you'll come to the Discover section like this. Now while creating your Hily account, we have to upload at least 3 pictures in order to get started. So while uploading those pictures, one of your pictures will be set as your profile picture. In order to see that, you can simply tap on the profile icon on the bottom right. As you tap on the profile icon, you'll come to your profile like this. Now in order to change your profile picture, tap on your profile photo. Now if you want to change your current profile picture with the picture that you have already uploaded on Hily, then you can simply tap on the second picture that you want to use as your profile picture. As you tap on it, you'll get this option called Set as Main. Tap on it. Then as you can see, the second picture has been moved to your cover picture section, which indicates that it is your current profile picture. As you can see, the profile picture has been changed. Now if you want to upload a different picture and set it as your profile picture, then you can follow the same process and tap on your profile picture once again. After that, in order to upload a new picture, first of all you'll have to delete your second picture. So tap on it and then tap on delete. After that, tap on the plus sign and then upload the picture that you want to use. As you upload the picture that you want to set as your profile picture, tap on it, then after tap on Set as Main. It might take some time for your newly uploaded picture to be moderated, so wait for some time and then you can change it. So in this way you can easily change your profile picture on Hily. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.